on, ladies and gentlemen? All right, I'm doing a second coat real quick, and I came across a new tool. All right, thought I'd shoot this video out. A lot of people probably haven't seen it, or maybe they have seen it, but getting in those corners is not the easiest, especially for a do-it-yourselfer at home. The professionals, they know how to get in and out of there like crazy. It's not a big deal. But if you got to tape corners, this thing, bam, okay? It's flexible, it's rubber. It's not threaded, so I guess you would stick a stick in it if you wanted to do, like, you know, the high ceilings, I guess. But what this does is you push it into the corners to float your mud, and it's flexible, it's rubber. This part's stiff, but the sides are flexible. It's like a bat wing. And this is the name of this guy right here. So if you want to, a good thing it's made in the USA, cuz. All right, it's called a wipe down knife, and it's rubber. I ordered this from the Home Depot website. It showed up in about 3 days to the store. All right, so I'm gonna set this phone up. We're gonna put some mud on this guy, and we're gonna see how this corner works out. All right, so bear with me. I gotta set this tripod up, make sure it doesn't fall. All right, I'll zoom in a little bit. All right, so that should be good. Let me go get my my hawk. I'm gonna load it up with some mud, and we're gonna use it like that. Remember, you want the hawk. I don't know if you can see it. I use my hawk. I'm gonna put some mud on this guy. Okay, just like this, if you can see that. Then I'm gonna put it in the corner, and we're gonna go down with it and see how it works. Push firm into the corner. It's not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna let that dry. If you're new at corners or you never taped before, Corner Pro, made in the USA. Look it up on your Home Depot app, and you'll find it. Grab it, throw it in the toolbox. You never know, you might need it. I'm gonna try it on the ceilings. I got like a 30-degree up there. I wanna see this. That's the main reason I bought this, is to see if I can do those ceilings. Because the corners I'm pretty good with, but the ceiling I'm gonna try, all right? All right, so now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a second coat in that corner. I'm gonna put some mud up there. I'll try the new tool. I'll see how it works. All right, it's not bad. It came out pretty good. They're nice and smooth. They're not that bad. Okay, these things will dry. Give them a little light sanding on the edges. Not bad. Definitely, if you're looking for something to help you with corners and you're not used to it, go out and buy one of these bad boys. I'll put the link here if you're interested in buying one. All right, we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. Have a nice Memorial Day. Everybody enjoy the beautiful day. And remember to give thanks for all the veterans out there and all the people who gave their lives in order for people like me and people like you. See that? You can go out and start a business in this country if you'd like. Okay, as long as you follow all the rules and stuff, you can do well for your family. And it's all because of all the people who sacrificed their lives. Don't ever forget it. So when I see people want to burn flags or something, if you're like that type of a person and you're subscribed to my channel, just get the hell off my channel now. If I catch somebody burning a flag, I'm bring them here, beat them in the yard, and then you know who we're gonna let go after them. You know who. Yeah, that's right, cuz Sonny. I'll drip some teriyaki sauce on the dude's legs, or whoever it is. I'll drip cow blood all over him, and then I'll starve Sonny for 3 days. That's it. Then we'll tie it, whoever, to the tree out there. We'll put that American flag up high, and he can look at it for every bite my boy Sonny does, okay? All right, take care. Have a good weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. And again, thanks for watching, and thanks for subscribing. We'll talk to you soon. Yo, Sonny! You in the mood for a little steak, cuz? Sonny.
Yeah, Sonny.